Hello YouTube world, it's your girl BLoc'd, so keep it locked at my channel. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. I'm back and better than ever. Look at this, y'all. I got new lighting. It's lit. I got this good old XR. Boy, I'm lit. Like, there's nothing, like, there's no stopping me. It's only up from here, bro. Only up from here. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, comment, and click that share button. Turn on that bell notification so that you know when I post. And I am going to try to be posting more often. I'm about to tell y'all why I haven't been here in a while. I haven't done a LOC update in like 2 months because I got back here. I'm an RA now. I told y'all that before. I'm an RA, so like my life has been a constant revolving door. Like a non-stop. I've been going, coming. Like, it's just been all over the place. I'm surprised I even have a second to do this video right now. Well, it's also a Sunday night, so yeah. But a few life updates, y'all. I'm a junior in college, so that's adding to my stress, you know. I mean, my busy lifestyle. Before I start, I just want to thank my subscribers. I am getting up there in numbers. Y'all are really like lit. I'm feeding off y'all energy. Y'all commenting, y'all liking, y'all subscribe. Like, come on, like, let's get it together, y'all. We're doing this together, okay? But I just want to say, I posted my vacation vlog, but it blew up. I had no idea it was going to do that good. Like, link in the description. No, matter of fact, it'll be at the end of this video. Whatever I decide to put it, wherever I decide to put it, please go watch that vlog. I love that vlog. It was the best vacation of my entire life. Probably the only real vacation I've been on in my entire life. Not probably, actually the only real vacation I've been on my entire life. So y'all go watch that. I went to the Bahamas. I was on a cruise. It was lit. So y'all go watch that. It really blew up. It got like 1.4K views. Like, my stuff don't get like that, bro. Okay, we'll go ahead to this LOC update. So I am about a week away from dyeing my hair. I don't know what color yet. I'm thinking about like purple, burgundy-ish, maroon, dark brown, light brown. I don't really know like what I want yet. So if you guys would be so gracious as to comment what colors you guys think I should get, or what color you guys think will look really good on my locks. I don't know. A lot of people are saying that this color looks good. It's a little rusty red right now. Burnt red. It's a little faded. Y'all know how my hair used to look. If you don't know how my hair used to look, go back and look at that video. I'm gonna put it in the description of what it looked like. That red was beast mode. I loved it so much. But I'm like, I'm ready for something new. I'm ready for something fresh, not faded and chippy, you know, a little less rusty. So comment below what you guys think I should do. I'm gonna give it a quick 360 so y'all see what my joint look like. Also, as I stated, I am literally 1 week away from getting my hair dyed. So within that week, I am going to do a 7-day style challenge. What is a 7-day style challenge? I am going to be challenging myself to go 7 entire days with a new hairstyle every day. Like, I am not going to wear it straight out anymore. I am tired of looking the same way, tired of looking dull, tired of looking basic old Britney. I am going to be styling my hair 7 different ways, 7 different days straight. Whether it's like pinning one side up, one side down, half up, half down, swooping, whatever. And I'm going to document it and post it here for y'all to see so that I can get out. So that I can give y'all some inspiration too. If you are going to come along with this challenge with me, comment below and be like, yeah girl, I'm gonna do the challenge with you, let's get it. Hey. But if you're not, then that's okay too. You can just watch me do it. But I am really glad my locks have gotten this long. They've come this far. If you're not familiar with my LOC journey, I suggest that you go and look at it. It's totally different from what it is right now. So I just want to thank you guys for my support out here. That is pretty much all for my LOC update. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure that you like, subscribe, comment, hit that share button, you know, share it with your friends, share it with people that are in the LOC community, you know, people that are trying to have some good thumbnails. Share with some people that have some, like, they need some tips. They just joined the LOC community. I'm learning, we're learning together, we're gonna grow together as we go. So yeah, thank you guys so much for coming back to my channel, and thank you for being here for the first time. If you haven't, give this video a good thumbs up if you liked it. Comment below colors that you think I should get. Comment below if you are going to follow my LOC challenge. Even if your hair is short, like, you can do so much with short locks. Like, mine are not even that short. I just don't know why they keep shrinking like this. Like, they should be way longer right now, right? But anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys have a great day.